Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get player health indicators. It's a very good mod that makes you able to see their health. Okay, so basically what you first want to do is go to this website, which will be down in the description. And then once you're here, scroll down a little bit and you can either pick 1.19, 18, or 17. I'm going to be doing it for 17 today. While it's downloading, you can open up Feather. Let's close on Minecraft. Hold on. There we go. Now it's downloaded. I'm gonna put that right there. Minus that out. Go to mods. Click on this. 1.17. Add on mods. Then drag this in here. Exit out of that, change the version I'm going to be playing on, then press launch Fabric. Alright, and now that we have launched PvP Legacy now, in Minecraft, basically, as you can see, everyone has the heart above their head because the health indicator mod has been implemented. I'm just going to do a quick few hits on this guy to show you what the health going down is going to look like. As you see, that's pretty much it. Their health goes down and everything works pretty perfectly. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and I hope this really helps. Bye.